back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide on how to set up weverse account. If you want to set up your weverse account and you don't know how to do it, in today's video I'm going to guide you on how to do that. If it's your first time coming across the channel, please do to subscribe. Let's dive right into the video. The first step you need to take is to go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and download the app weverse. The next step you need to take is to open up the app, and this is what you're going to be seeing on your screen. The third step you need to take is to click on sign up. Okay, since you don't have an account before, you are going to be clicking on sign up. Then here I'm going to be using my sign up with Google, so it's going to be very faster, and I'm going to just sign up with my Google. So if you don't have a Google account, you can actually go ahead and create a Google account and sign up easily. So like the Gmail account that I want to use for this app. So that's how simple it is, because it's going to be transferring my informations directly without asking me to put in your full name, your and others. So that is in order for you to sign up a weverse account. If this video was helpful, please do to subscribe to this channel. Tell me in the comment section if you find anything difficult on this video. I won't hesitate to give you guys feedback. See you guys in the next one. Bye.